explosion caused by a small nuclear bomb planted to the fallout shelter. We might think that this was caused by terrorists. Approximately 900 people died from the explosion and 1,500 people were injured. Do not hesitate to switch fallout shelters now. Make sure to check that the fallout shelter isn't
planted with nuclear bombs. There are no recent updates about the 700 nuclear missiles, so keep tuning into the station for more updates. This is the emergency alert system. All broadcasts and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its normal programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency,
this station will be on the air to provide news and information to local and assigned areas. This is WNYW. We will continue to serve the New York metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information to your local area. You're listening to the emergency alert
system serving the New York metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use only. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the North American Aerospace Defense Command, the United States Department of Defense, and the United States government. This is an update to the emergency action notification that was issued 30 minutes ago. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected another launch of 1,000 nuclear missiles from the same location.
This time, these nuclear missiles are bigger and going faster than the 700 nuclear missiles. The targets of the 1675 nuclear missiles are still unknown at this time, but it is expected that these nuclear missiles will impact most cities on most countries on the Earth, which will destroy the Earth, making fallout spreads everywhere, which will kill all organisms on the Earth, since there are no fallout shelters left. All of the fallout shelters on the Earth has been exploded due to
nuclear bombs planted to the fallout shelters. There is no humanity can stop this catastrophe. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. Gather all of your families and friends for the final seconds before impact. We will see you guys each other again on heaven. Each countries on the Earth will play their national anthems for the final time. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. This is done.
signing